Hi guys, so basically this is the official page for the Go MySQL driver. So we need to install it on our project. So let's have the installation, this one, and then we'll paste it here. Uh, sorry, I think it also copied the extra $sign. Yeah, so it's already added on our go.mode. So on our main.go, we'll add the MySQL driver. So let's just have an underline score underscore. Then uh, we'll have this one. Okay. Hopefully that will resolve our error. So yeah, it does resolve our error, and right now we are printing the first index of the list. So we have the main.fire data. So now that we're okay and we already uh, get the data from the MySQL, we're going to create the client with the Firestore. So we'll be using a library or an SDK from the Firestore, which is this one, cloud.google Firestore. So yeah, this one, and we're going to create a client, and then yeah. So basically, I have prepared a code already on creating the client here. So let me just grab that. I'll copy this one, then paste it on our code base. So we'll have this one. So in order to create the uh, client, we need to get the project ID, and then the one that we've downloaded the JSON file earlier. So we're going to copy this one, and I'll paste it to our Go tool. Then we'll just rename it as firebase.json, and then we'll just remove firebase one here. Then we'll go here and the firebase JSON and grab the project ID. So apparently that's not the full project ID. So we need to check on the um, Firebase itself. So here in the MySQL migrate, we'll go to our general, and then we'll have the, oh I see. So the project ID is still the same, MySQL migrate then. So we'll have MySQL migrate, and then we're going to create the client. So we're going to create the Firestore client here. Then we'll have context that to do, and then let's have that one. And you should see that you have some errors here because of the, oh, I forgot to import the Firestore reference. So we'll be able to do that by going to these documents, and then um, wait, documentation. This is the repository. So basically, we just need to add this one. Go get cloud. So the same. So let's just wait to be downloaded. So we should expect it to be added on our go.mode. So after downloading, make sure that in main.go you only have this as your import. If you have more than that one, then I think you are having an error in importing. So make sure you don't have this. I only have this one, and not with the something like slash apv1. So here we have created the create client. So apparently we have the project ID. I revert it back by using the project ID, which we are getting from the project settings. This one. So now we're going to add data now to our Firestore. So let's. I have prepared a function called add data to Firestore, which will take the context and then a client and then our own model, which will be the fire data. And let's just uh, this one. So instead of having this, we'll have just a plain fire that ingredients, and then this one. So I'll just remove the splitting since we don't need that one. Okay, then this one. So now we are good with adding the data to Firestore. Um, we're going to loop now to our list. So let's have the. I'll just remove this one and then put the for loop, which will take the f data range of the list, and then the Firestore client will be here. Let's just wait for it to save, and then I'll just remove this one, and we'll start to call now the add data to Firestore context that to do, and then we'll have the Firestore client, and then the fire data, f data. So it should now persist to our data to Firestore, which will take the collection dishes. So it will have a collection dishes, and this will be the fields So let's run the tool right now. So if it's not having some errors, then it should already start persisting to our Firestore database. And as you can see, it already started that this one. So yeah, so that's it for this video tutorial. I hope that I give some values on you and I was able to help you out. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel.